Hey, I just got this new hair waver I wanted to show you guys. This is the packaging it came in. Here's what it looks like. I love the 2-barrel. It has a really nice lock on it too that you can lock it, so I can't open it. And then it came with a couple hair clips, which is perfect because I have really long hair, so I have to pin it back to do it in sections. So let me plug it in and then I'll show you how I use it. Okay. So I like to section my hair in 3 sections. I'll do one side of my hair to show you the difference, and then I'll finish it all and show you at the end. So my hair's pretty slippery, so I will probably use these both ways. Okay, so here's really long. I love that you can use both hands. The end is anti-scalding. And I just kind of hold it for a few seconds. And I like to kind of follow the wave and kind of redo it a little bit. Okay. And I like to leave the tips a little more straight. I also love there's 4 temperature settings. I'll show you closer up because it's really easy to know where you're at when you power it on. As you can see, my hair is super stick straight, so this is great. I can go right down my hair and it'll go faster the slower, or faster the shorter your hair is. And this up. Really trying to go fast, and then I end up just slowing down. Okay. It's nice that you can grab pretty big sections of your hair too. Okay. Okay, I'll stop and I'll make it go faster so you can see more at the end. Okay, so I don't necessarily always part in the middle, but you can see how nice and wavy it is. And when I do this, I'll put product in the end so you can see I can get it bigger, but this lasts me days without me having to restyle it. It just stays so nice. Let's see, I wanted to show you guys quick too. The power, there's a power button and then there's an up temperature button. So there's four levels of temperature. I have it at the 3rd one. I like it pretty hot so that it stays, like I said, for days. So let me finish it up and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so this is my hair all done. Like I said, this will last me a few days. I like to do my hair upside down. And get some hairspray in it because my hair is super, super fine. And then I like some texture spray just to make it a little messier because sometimes the waves are just a little too pretty. And then it'll just look like natural beachy waves as like day 2 and day 3. So perfect. I can't wait to use it every day.